这段要这样，照着来去来要这些，我转
Tonight is part 2 of the art show weekend. I had a real fun time last night at the Basement Lounge in Fort Worth at the opening for my show way down south. A bunch of my friends came out. We had a great time. Lots of good conversations. I hope to repeat that tonight at Plush Gallery in Dallas. Just pausing to catch my breath. It's been a super busy week, but I love to get my art out on the wall, to show it to people, have great conversations around art and creativity. Let's do it.
Fue un día fresco en el otoño de Texas. We hopped onto the highway and headed into Dallas. At Plush Gallery, there were 3 solo shows opening. My own exhibition of work from my Oaxaca studio. A solo show by C.J. Davis. And new work by Hatziel Flores. At the reception, Hatziel and his buddies were representing. As artists, the camaraderie and support we show each other helps to ground this mutual creative journey that we are on.
All right, let's do it.
The state bird of New Jersey with the baby. Love that piece. You told me, yeah. I've got that piece. I've got that piece, man. I keep doing it because it's like.
And it's a core part of my own value system, both as an artist and gallery owner, to support emerging art and artists, to bring their work into the world. That care extends to myself as well. So the next morning, I found myself at the Tibetan Buddhist meditation center with my daughter, taking the time to cultivate some inner peace. It's all the part of a continuum of life as a creator. Life was presenting me with some transitions. I'd returned from Oaxaca to Texas at the end of the summer. My daughter had come to stay with me. I was revisiting a spiritual way of life, one which I hoped could once again lift me up. But I needed to survive, and so I found work in delivery. It wasn't glamorous, but it put some food on the table and reminded me of the delivery work I had done in my first jobs as a young adult.
Yeah, that's good. I can see how that's more like appropriate, or should I say appropriate?
I'm about to get my daily workout on here at Planet Fitness. I've been doing a mix of cardio, weights, and stretching. And then I'm gonna get going on my first round of DoorDash deliveries. Wish me luck, y'all. About to earn some money.
My new job took me all across the spectrum of life here in North Texas. Creativity, work, self-care. Together, they form a base of support for building a life according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, a structure for working one's way up from basic survival to a more fully realized self-development. And in this moment, that was the pyramid I found myself climbing.
这个也这样，照着路去的